How to add music to featured photo on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on adding in music to your featured photos on your Facebook account. The first thing you want to do is open up your profile on Facebook. Now by default, any of the features photos that you have added, there is no option to do it within this section. Now in this case, what you can do is create a new story. So tap on add story on the top and then select the post. Once you have selected the post, now this time you're gonna add in this music to this story also. Tap on the music option on the top right and then select in the music. Once the music has been added to your Instagram story, you can now just tap on share and share it to your profile. If you don't want other people to see your story, you can tap on privacy and tap on custom, and you can only share it to a few people. Once you have chosen your privacy method, tap on share. Now once the story has been posted, you can head back and come to the featured tab and tap on new and select the story that you just posted. In my case, it's this one. Tap on next and you can name it anything you want and tap on save on the bottom. Now this way, the featured photo that you just added will also have the music that you added to the Facebook story. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel while you're at it. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.